Put a sock on a broom and save yourself time and money with this clever trick. Start with a regular broom and a sock that easily fits over the broom's bristles. Then, grab some fabric softener. This household item has a surprising alternative use. Pour a small amount of fabric softener onto the sock and spread it evenly across the entire surface, making sure to soak both sides. This prepared broom will become a household lifesaver, offering multiple uses. Glide it over your carpet, and you'll notice the sock attracting dust, pet hair, and other small debris. No need for professional carpet cleaning. Plus, your carpet will regain its shine and smell fresh. Use this trick to clean walls, too. The soft texture of the sock makes it easy to remove cobwebs and dust from hard-to-reach spots. The broom with a sock is also perfect for cleaning floors, especially in tight corners. Thanks to the anti-static properties of fabric softener, dust won't settle as quickly. This simple, effective, and budget-friendly solution eliminates the need for expensive cleaning products or new tools. Pour this into a bucket. This trick will give you shiny, spotless floors that are so clean you could eat off them. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. To make the best floor cleaner, start by separating the flowers from dried lavender. Grind the lavender flowers into powder. Put the lavender powder into a glass and pour boiling water over it. Let it steep. After a few minutes, strain the mixture into a jug to remove the lavender pieces. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt to the strained liquid. Mix everything well and pour it into the cleaning bucket. With this trick, your floor will be cleaner than ever. Mop every room, and your floor will shine without using chemicals. You won't see a single streak. Your home will be free from moisture. You'll never see mold on your walls again. Start by taking 2 or 3 lemons. Roll the lemons back and forth with the palm of your hand. This will help you extract more juice from the lemons. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. Add 1 small teaspoon of granulated garlic to the juice. Thanks to the allicin in garlic, it inhibits the growth of mold and fungi. Mix everything well. If you have dark-colored walls, you can add a few ground cloves to the mixture. Slowly strain the mixture into another container using a wet cloth or gauze. Take a plastic bottle with a dispenser. Pour the liquid into the bottle and close it tightly. Use this homemade solution in areas prone to mold and fungi. This remedy will help you solve the problem once and for all. Throw a laundry pod into a bucket. This trick will give you floors so shiny and clean, you could eat off them. Your floor will finally sparkle like a mirror. Start by tossing a laundry pod into the bucket. Then add a handful of laundry scent beads. Pour hot water over these 2 ingredients. The pod will dissolve, and the beads will too, releasing a beautiful scent. This homemade cleaner is not only effective, but also smells amazing. Now pour everything into a second bucket. This step is crucial. Use 1 bucket to wring out the mop and the other for soaking it in clean water. This trick ensures your mop stays in clean water, making your floors cleaner than ever. Wash every room this way, and your floor will shine without any streaks or chemicals. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. Wipe your baseboards with this, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This brilliant trick will help you keep your baseboards clean. Everyone in my family asks how to clean baseboards. When dust settles on baseboards and furniture, you often have to wipe them down. Today, I'll show you what to do on surfaces in your home so that dust and dirt don't accumulate as quickly. The first step is to thoroughly clean the baseboards and furniture to remove all the current dust. Then use a small amount of one liquid. You probably have it at home. It's the key player. It will make it so you don't have to dust as often. Prepare a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid. Wipe the areas where you have the most problems with dust. How does it work? Let me explain. It's fabric softener. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. You could say it acts like a protective coating. Even if it sounds unbelievable, it's true. You won't notice anything applied to these areas. It really works wonders. Try it at home, and you'll be pleased. Sprinkle your sofa with salt, and you'll never pay for cleaning it again. Plus, you won't need to clean or wash it as often. Start by pouring about 150 milliliters of warm water into a container. Add 1 tablespoon of regular table salt, a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix everything until fully dissolved, then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Your sofa might look clean, but it could still harbor dirt, dust, pollen, and mites. Spray it with this solution, and you'll tackle those problems effectively. Baking soda neutralizes unpleasant odors and has antifungal properties, eliminating fungi and their spores, as well as killing dust mites. After spraying, wipe the sofa with a dry cloth. It's like dry cleaning. This gentle spray cleans your sofa almost dry, better than many wet upholstery cleaners. I no longer buy Swiffer floor cleaning cloths. I make them myself, and this trick will save you a lot of money. When you run out of those wet cloths, you can use the dry ones if you moisten them with a solution. But for floor cleaning, you'd need to use 2 cloths. I definitely prefer using reusable microfiber cloths. They work great for dusting when dry. To make them more effective, prepare an empty Swiffer cloth box or any other sealable container. Pour in 250 milliliters of water. Then add 125 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar will help remove all the dirt from the surfaces. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix everything so the citric acid dissolves. Place folded cloths into the container. Press them down gently. Then squeeze and flip them over. Leave them for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to try this trick. Take out a cloth, attach it to your Swiffer, and wipe the floor. Not only does it pick up all the dust, but also notice how shiny your floor looks. I've stopped using disposable cloths, and I hope you'll stop too after trying this trick.